So, I have the NES. I will actually show it working right now. Let me go and set it up. Let me move this aside. I'm gonna have to put this into the TV. Let me plug this into the NES. Like so. How's the lighting? Lighting doesn't look too bad. There's the power. Here's the controller. Channel 3, perfect. Super Mario Bros. 1, gotcha. You actually don't need to press it down. Oh, it's blinking. There's an error. Jeez. Let's see.
If you enjoyed and want more of this type of content, leave a like and subscribe for future videos and shorts.